Fettuccine Alfredo is a triumph of simplicity and flavor. A classic dish that has conquered palates all over the world, especially in Italy and the United States. Let's find out together how to prepare the real Italian version of this culinary delight. Ingredients: 250 grams of fresh fettuccine, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and black pepper, optional, grated nutmeg, optional. Start by bringing a pot of salted water to a boil and cook the fettuccine until al dente. Meanwhile, melt the butter over low heat in a large skillet. Drain the fettuccine and add them to the skillet with the butter. Add the Parmesan and mix well, so that the pasta combines with the cheese and butter, creating a creamy sauce that clings to the fettuccine. If desired, add a sprinkle of black pepper and grated nutmeg. Serve immediately, adding more Parmesan flakes if desired. Remember to subscribe to our channel so as not to miss more authentic recipes like this one, and visit our website for more details and tips. Did you know that Fettuccine Alfredo originated in Rome, in a restaurant that bore the name of its creator, Alfredo? The original version only required the use of high-quality butter and Parmesan. In the United States, however, the recipe has been adapted by adding cooking cream to make the dish even creamier. An example of how a recipe can evolve and adapt to different culinary cultures.